Hello kids, how are you? Are you fine? Okay, you're fine. So, students, let's start our session. In this session, we will learn the concept of greater than, lesser than and equal to. See students, what is this? This is some sign. This is greater than, lesser than and equal to. See students, what is this? This is an alligator. See how it looks. See his face, his mouth. See students, this is alligator's mouth. You know students, alligator's mouth is very big. Once he sees some things or some food more, he want to eat that. So, where there is more food, he will eat that all food. He don't want less food. He want only more food and more things. If we will put some laddus, some sweets in a plate, and in another plate less food, less laddus, then what he will do? He will eat only more laddus. He will open the mouth towards that plate. See students, here it is. Some fish in one side and less fish in another side. See, here it is more fish. Let us count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fishes are there in one side? 5 fishes. And the other side? 1, 2, 3. Now what alligator will do? Yes, alligator will open the mouth towards the fish where it is more. So, how it will open? This way. So, this is greater than. It is more. So, it is greater than. Here it is more fish. So, here it is greater than. So, alligator will open the mouth this way to the more side where it is more. Then now, next is, see, here there are 2 plates. In this plate, what is this? Sweets, laddus. See, in one side, how many laddus are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 laddus. And the another side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 laddus. Now, what will the alligator do? Yes, alligator will eat which laddus? Yes, this side laddu. So, what he will do? He will open this way his mouth. Do you understand students? He will open this way mouth. Okay. Okay students, do you understand the concept? When alligator see more food, he will open that side his mouth. He will see more things, he will open that side his mouth. He want everything more. Okay students? Students, take out your math practice book 1 to 50. Open it. Page number 24. See here, page number 24. Taken out. Write the date here. 2/9/2020. What here it is written? Count the objects and put greater than, lesser than and equal to in the box. We have to put the sign here. Now see. Here in one box, what is this? Burgers. In one box, how many burgers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many burgers are there? 9 burgers in one side. In the another side, there are 2 burgers, 1 and 2. Now what alligator will do? Alligator came there and what he will do? He will eat more burgers. He don't want less. He want more. So he will open his mouth this way. So this is greater than sign. Okay, students. Now see here. This is hair clips. How many hair clips are there here? 1, 2, 3 hair clips on one side. And the another side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hair clips. So what alligator will do? He will open the mouth the right side where the hair clips are more. So he will open this side and he will close this side mouth because it is less here and open through this side. So it is more here. The next is ice cream candies. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many candies are there one side? 10 candies. And the another side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candies. What alligator will do? He want more candies. So he will open this way because here it is 10 candies more than these candies. So this is greater than. The next is, see students, what is this? See properly, what is this? Yes, sandwiches. How many sandwiches are there in one side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sandwiches. And the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, both the sides are 5 sandwiches. Now, what will alligator will do? Alligator will open both the side mouth because he want both this and this. Both he want. So, he will open both the side this way. Here also open, here also open. So, what is this? This is equal to sign. Which sign? Equal to. So, this is greater than and this is smaller than. This way it is greater than and the closed way it is smaller than. So, where it is more, the alligator will open the mouth this way. And where it is less, the alligator will close the mouth. And both the side open, it is equal to. Greater than, lesser than and equal to. Students, do you understand the concept? Okay. Now take out page number 25. Here also, count the objects and put greater than, lesser than and equal to sign in the box. See, what is this students? Yes, shape. Which shape? Diamond shape. Which shape? It is diamond shape. See in one box, how many diamond shapes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 diamond shapes. And the another box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, which is greater? This side. So, we will open this mouth here. This way. So, it is greater than. The next is mangoes. In one side, how many mangoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mangoes. And the another side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 mangoes. So, which is the greater student? This side mango, right side mango. So, we will open this way and close from the left side. Now, next is pears. How many pears are there? In one side, 1, 2 and 3. The other side also, 1, 2 and 3. So, what alligator will do? Open his mouth, both the side. This way, this way. Here also open, here also open. So, what is this? Equal to. Now, what is this, students? Magical stick. Okay. Angel's magical stick. How many sticks are there in one side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, which side is greater than? Yes, the left side. So, open this way. So students, do you understand the concept of greater than and lesser than? This is greater than this way, where there is open, that is greater than, and where there is close, that is lesser than. And both the side open, it is equal to. So this way you have to practice at home. Write in the book neatly and properly and practice in slate also. Thank you.